Hello my friends, before the video starts, please like to my channels and subscribe to my channels and press the button of bell to see my video first of all. Hello friends, keep watching this video till the last because today's video is going to be very interesting. Friends, I welcome you very much in INR Expert Plan. Today I am making this plan in English language on the demand of all of you so that all of you understand this great opportunity very well. Now let's talk about the company's legal documents. This is the enterprise certificate of the company Pune of Maharashtra, and this is the second legal document, certificate PAN card. If you want to check this, you can take its PDF by contacting me. Now talking about the company mission and vision, their purpose is that if you work here, then you and your upcoming generation lifestyle will be the best. Package of joining is only 354 rupees and 80% of which GST goes to government and only 300 rupees will receive to the company. Friends, now talk about the company earning opportunity. As soon as your ID is active in the system, you get 600 reward point and get a chance to earn up to 200 levels as well as magical master income. This is the company's service. First, Aadhaar enabled service. Next, all recharge through which you can recharge all mobile network company. Next, all bill payment. Next, money transfer. Next, all banking service. And next, you can book bus, train and flight online. Dear leaders, as you can see, companies like Flipkart, Paytm and Amazon are joining our company. I tell you its advantage. Example, if you want to buy one mobile after joining our company, you will get a discount on every shopping. There are types of income: 1. Level income, 2. Auto upgrade income and 3. Master income. Master income is very special income because we can say this is the magical income. And we talk about of level income. In the first level you receive 50 rupees, second level 30 rupees, third level 10 rupees and fourth level is same income 10 rupees. In fifth level 5 rupees. From here your income will become the level income of the company. Example, 8th level 8 rupees, 10th level 10 rupees and 12th level 12 rupees. Now we will talk about 7 section wonderful income. Have just told you about section 1 via level income. The income of section 2 gets you from level 13 to 42 level. Upgradation charge is only 1300 rupees. The income of section 3 gets you up to 100 level. Upgradation charge is only 5500 rupees. The income of section 4 gets you up to 125 level. Upgradation charge is 9500 rupees. You can understand by the looking at the level and its upgradation charge in front of all the section. Now pay attention to the notes. There is no need to invest again to upgrade here because upgradation charge is 10% deducted from your income. Example, when your total income is 13,000, you will enter second section. In the first section, we can take up to 12 levels. In the second section, we can take from 13 level to 42 levels. In the third section, we can take from 43 levels to 100 levels. In the fourth section, we can take from 101 level to 125 levels. In the fifth section, we can take from 126 level to 150 levels. In the sixth section, we can take from 151 levels to 175 levels. In the 7th section, we can take from 176 level to 200 levels. This is the last level. To enter this section means your income will in crores of rupees. This is a very special income of the company, so we need to understand this income. I explain you. If you join 5 people, you get a level income from the first 2 people, but you don't get a master income. But as you can see, you get 100 rupees from the team of the remaining 3 people. Get the income of. To explain it further, I tell you in the next slide. Leaders request you, along with my explanation, you look at this pic very carefully. Suppose you are at the top of this pic and you join 5 people whose names are A, B, C, D and E. As I have told you in the last pic, we don't get level income from the team of the 2 setters of the beginning. But its specialty is that after this, all the people you join will get master income from the team of all. As you can see by looking at the pic, you get master income from the 2 direct of the beginning of C and also get 2 direct from them which has no capping. Same situation is D and E. Here master income means 100 rupees from per person, even if it is in your 1000 level down or 10,000 level down. But this system needs to be carefully understood. Just like we get a master income from 2 people from beginning, we don't know from the rest of the team, then income will go to the next. To understood this was the cap green color line very carefully. He will get an income from 2 persons from his 3rd direct, but there is no problem with your team, so you will definitely get level income. I hope you understood master income very well. If there is any doubt, you can contact me on the number on the screen. Friends, this is official address of this company. If you want to see this office, you can visit anytime, any day. With this, I would like to say thank you for watching my video. I hope this video will definitely help you to understand.